Hello guys, welcome once again. Today we'll look at the second part of the topic factorization. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget to watch the rest of the videos I uploaded before. So today we'll look at factoring by grouping. So let's start by looking at the following example. Ax plus bx plus kai plus kby. Okay, so this is group factorization. So this is what you do. You divide your expression in two pairs, right? So the first one and the second one. Okay, then you factorize the pairs individually. Okay, so we'll start with ax plus bxy. Okay, so you start by taking the common factors. So x and x, that's the common factor of the first pair. Okay, then now you have to divide. Okay, ax over x, so x and x cancel, so you have a plus, then now bx over x and x cancel, you have what? B. So that's the first one. Okay, then you continue with the second. So now plus the common factors here, you have k, you have k, you have y, you have y, so k y. Okay, so now k sorry, it's k a y over the factor ky, so k y cancel, you remain with what? You remain with a plus. Okay, so now k by over what? K y, so y this, you remain with what? B. So the moment you see this, the same numbers or the same letters inside the brackets, you should know that your answer is correct. So this is what you do now. Your answer will be the a plus b, then you open another bracket, then you put x plus ky, you put your common factors. So this is how you factorize by grouping. So now look at the second example, the same procedure. You start by dividing into pairs. Okay, so now you look at the common factors. The first two, 3, right? It can go into 3 and 6. Then we have x and x both sides. Okay, so 3x. So now it's what? 3x squared, which is 3 times x over what? 3x. So x cancel 3, you remain with x minus, now okay, 6x over what? 3x. So x and x cancel, 3 into 3 1, 3 into 6 2. Okay, minus what? 2. Then here common factor here is negative 4, because 4 can go into 4 and 8, so the sign there is what? Minus what? 4. That's the common factor. So now minus 4x over minus 4, so negative cancel, 4 cancel, you remain with what? X. Okay, x. Now plus 8 over, sorry, here it's x. Okay, so now here you have what? 8, it's plus 8. Okay, which is 8 over negative 4, so 4 into 4 1, 4 into this 2, but you have the negative sign, so it's what? Minus 2. So you see, the moment you see the same expression inside the brackets, just know your answer is correct. So this is what you do. Your answer will be x minus 2. Then you take the factors here and you put them into another bracket, 3x minus 4. So this is your answer. Okay, so now look at our third example. Okay, the same procedure. You divide it into pairs. Okay, so the first two, you can see common factor, we have 3, which can go into 3 and 6. Then we have x both sides. Okay, so now you start, 3x squared is 3 times x, then we have 3x. Okay, so x and x cancel, 3 and 3, you remain with 1x x. Okay, then you have 6x over 3x, this and this cancel, this remain with 2 plus what? 2. Then now here minus, you can see minus x minus 2, right? You don't have any common factor, anything. Okay, so this is what you do. You take the sign that is before x, the negative sign, then you just write 1. So you write 1. So minus 1 will be your factor. This is what you do whenever you don't have a factor. Okay, so then it will be minus x over minus what? 1. Negative and negative cancel. 1 into x, you will remain with what? X. Then minus 2 over minus 1. Negative, negative cancel, you remain with what? 2. So plus 2. So you see here, the moment you see this, just know your answer is correct. Then your answer will be x plus 2. Okay, then you take the common factors and you put them into another bracket. 3x minus, this is minus what? 1. So look at our last example. So remember, you group them into pairs, then you take common factors. So 2 can go into 2 and 8, and we have x both sides. Okay, then we'll divide 2x by what? 2x. 2x squared by 2x. So x and x cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, remain with x. So you write x plus, now we have 8x, then you divide it by what? 2x. So you have what? 4. Okay, plus 4. Then we'll look at the second pair. We have common factor, which is 3. 3 can go into 3 and it can go into 12. So we'll take the 3x over 3. We'll remain with x. Okay, then plus, then 12 over 3, which gives us 12 over 3, sorry. And 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 12, it's 4. So now you see, the moment you find the same expression inside the brackets, just know answer is correct. So you write x plus 4, then you take your common factors and you put it into another bracket. So that's your answer. Thank you for watching.